In this video, I will be showing you how to create an audio overview in NotebookLM. Let's get started. I'll begin on the home page and click the Create New button in the top right corner to start my project. Once the notebook initializes, a window appears where I can choose my sources. I can upload local files, link websites, or even use YouTube videos. I have a PDF already uploaded called Modern Intelligence, so I'll make sure it's selected in the source list on the left. Looking through the document, it provides a deep look at artificial intelligence, including its impact on various industries and the ethical challenges it presents for our society. Next, I'll go to the Studio panel on the right side of the screen and select Audio Overview. I want a quick summary for this project, so I'll change the format to Brief and keep the language set to English. In the focus box, I'll instruct the AI to specifically discuss the human skills we will need to cultivate for the future. I'll then click Generate and wait a few moments while the AI processes the information and creates the audio file. The resulting audio overview explains that while AI is rapidly changing the landscape of our work, our human ability to adapt and specialize is more important than ever before. Finally, I'll click the three dots on the audio player and select Download to save the file to my computer. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.